The surface topography scan is complete.
Data confirms optimal structural integrity, clear for casting.
The grain boundaries look stable. Comparing this against the structural fatigue baseline, it seems acceptable for high-temperature application.
A robotic labeling machine precisely applies a durable industrial tag, identifying the ingot as secondary.
We're approaching the target melting point faster than projected.
The induction energy levels are stable. Maintain current input.
The titanium reaches its melting point, transitioning into an incandescent liquid. It is then stirred or
The high-tensile steel bar passes through chemical baths and ultrasonic cleaning tanks. It emerges pristine and dry.
Thermal profile looks good on the east segment.
Confirmed. We are green across the board.
This tracking shot highlights the transition from raw casting to a precision component. The robotic arm dynamically adjusts.
Scan complete. All quantities match the manifest.
Verified. Send it down the line.
The completed titanium nozzle segment is carefully sealed within a custom-fitted foam enclosure. A robotic arm then placed.
The mirror-finish bright silver high-tensile steel piston rod is moved into a PVD or physical vapor deposition chamber.
Data stream indicates nominal flow rate.
Copy that. Proceeding to next stage.
Torque sequence initiated on station 4.
Reading stable.
Confirmed green on all parameters.
The successfully tested hydraulic actuators are transferred to a final cleaning station, where residual hydraulic fluid is The electronic control harness is meticulously routed to the servo valve connectors. We then secure
As you can see, the endurance tests passed with flying colors.
Excellent work. This concludes the review. It is approved for installation.
The thrust vectoring system is the heart of the Su-35, demanding the highest security during transit.
Initiate the lift sequence, slow and steady.
Copy. Lifting the assembly now. Clear on the east side.
Verify alignment on the starboard mounting point.
Confirmed. Thumbs up on section 4.
Hydraulics look nominal. We are good to proceed.
Sequence initiated. Monitor thrust vectoring on screen 3.
Process B data streaming nominal.
We have full deflection at 20 degrees.
Data confirms the hydraulics are performing within tolerance.
Sequence B is torqued to specification.
The actuators make near-instantaneous corrections to the nozzle angle, compensating for atmospheric turbulence. This highlights the
See any heat stress on this segment?
No, thermal profile looks nominal. All green.
The intricate, segmented geometry of the thrust vectoring nozzle assembly highlights the precision engineering of the hydraulic control system.